Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will solve the exercise of unit 4, that is problem solving, and question 1 is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank is graphical representation of a program is called flowchart. So the correct word is flowchart. Second, a set of different dash is needed in drawing flowcharts. So a set of different symbols is needed in drawing flowcharts. Third, ANSI, ANSI in capital, stands for American National Standard Institute. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute. Fourth, all flowcharts must start and end with terminal symbol. We already know that, we have studied the flowcharting symbols. So all flowcharts must start and end with terminal symbol. Fifth fill in the blank is decision symbol is also called as diamond symbol. It is also called diamond symbol. So the correct words are written in and they are underlined. Question 2 is choose the correct answer. The first one is flowchart symbols have been standardized by Microsoft, Oracle, ANSI and IBM. So the correct option is option C, that is ANSI. ANSI stands for American National Standard Institute. They have standardized the flowchart symbols. Second MCQs is flowchart symbols are connected together by means of option A numbers, option B alphabets, option C flow lines and option D is chain. So the correct option is C, that is flow lines. So flowchart symbols are connected together by means of flow lines. Third MCQs is which symbol is used to represent the arithmetic instructions. Option A is input output symbol, option B processing symbol, C is start symbol, D is none of the above. The correct option is option B, that is processing symbol, which is actually a rectangle shape which represents a processing operation or any arithmetic operation. Fourth MCQs is terminal symbol may contain option A go, option B start, option C ready, option D run. So the correct option is option B, that is start. Fifth MCQs is processing symbol also called as option A parallelogram, option B rectangular, C decision and D is terminal. So the correct option is option B, that is rectangular symbol. Processing symbol is also called rectangular symbol because it is represented by the rectangle shape. Third question is state true or false, and the first statement is a computer program consists of a sequence of instructions, that is true. Second statement, flowcharting is a valuable tool in computer programming, that is true. Third, start and stop symbols are same, true. For both purposes the terminal symbol is used. Fourth, flow lines may be diagonal, it's false. Flow lines cannot be diagonal. Fifth one, computer programs are written before flowcharting, that is also false because computer programs are written after building the flowcharts. So it is false. Fourth question is match the columns. The first one is a parallelogram, so it represents the input and output. So the correct matching column is C and both are highlighted with red color. So the first one is input output symbol. Second is a diamond symbol or decision making symbol. So the correct option is E and both are highlighted with yellow color. Third one is rectangle, which is also called processing symbol. So the correct option in the next column is option D and both are highlighted with a green color. and then the terminal symbol which represents start and stop inside the flow chart. So the correct option is B in the next column, and both are highlighted with blue color. And the last one, these are the flow lines, fifth, and the correct option is A in the next column, and both are highlighted with gray color. So with this we have done the exercise of Unit 4. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Computer Tuition Academy. Thanks a lot. Take care. Allah Hafiz.